Good morning, everybody. Myself is Dr. M.S. Shadonkar. Today I am going to present graphical solution of games. Solve the following games graphically. 2 by 3 game is given. You have to solve by graphically. So here there are two players, player A and player B. The player A has two strategies, 1 and 2. Player B has a 3 strategy, 1, 2, 3. Solution. You have to rewrite the payoff matrix as it is, and you have to assume player A as a 1 strategy as a x1 and 2 as a 1 minus x1. Similarly, player B's first strategy as a y1, second strategy as y2 and third strategy as a y3. This game does not have a saddle point because the position of such an element in the matrix which is minimum in its row and in maximum in its column. So this game does not have a saddle point. The player A's expected payoff corresponding to player B's are given in table A. B's poor strategies, A's expected payoff. The first strategy of player B 1 equal to 1 into x1. So 1 into x1 plus 8 into 1 minus x1 is equal to minus 7 x1 plus 8. Similarly, the second strategy of player A is 3 into x1 plus 5 into 1 minus x1 is equal to minus 2x1 plus 2. Similarly, third strategy is 11 into x1 plus 2 into 1 minus x1 is equal to 9x1 plus 3. Draw all the lines on the graph paper. See here the graph paper here. So graphical representation or solving the game. Draw two parallel lines vertically and x1 axis. The distance between these two lines is a unit length. Mark a suitable scale on the each line. X1 axis 1 cm equal to 0.5, 1 y axis 1 cm equal to 2, and draw all three lines on the graph paper. See here in here 1 and 8. In the first strategy 1 and second strategy is 8. On the graph, see here the graph paper is the first strategy and second strategy. 1 on first strategy, 8 on the second strategy. Join these 2 points. Similarly 3 and 5, 3 on the first strategy and 5 on the second strategy. 3 on the first strategy, 5 on the second strategy. Join these 2 points, that is the second line. Similarly, the third is 11 on the first strategy and 2 on the second strategy. So draw this, join these 2 points. So you have to get all three lines represented on the graph paper. Here the lower boundary make dark and lower boundary upper point is a P. This point is the intersection of the two lines, that is the second and third lines. Now the reduce the matrix, you get second and third. So second and third of B player, second and third is 3, 11, 5, 2. Now the reduce the matrix, you get 3, 11, 5, 2. From the above table, we get the equation 3x1 plus 5x2 is equal to value of game. Similarly, 11x1 plus 2x2 is equal to value of game, and x1 plus x2 is equal to 1 for A. Why 1? Because the distance between the two parallel line is unit length. Similarly, 3y2, why y2? Because the second and third strategies of B is there. So second and third. So 3y2 plus 11y3 is equal to value of game. Similarly, 5y2 plus 2y3 is equal to value of game y2 plus y3 is equal to 1. After solving the above equations, we get the value of x1 and x2 and y1, y2 and y3. So, after solving a first and second equation, you get the one equation, that is the 1, and you solve the all three equations simultaneously and we get the value of x1 and x2. x1 value you get 3 by 11 and 8 by 11 for x2. Similarly, you solve all three equations solving for any two equations first and then solve another equations simultaneously. We got the value of y2 and y3. y2, y3 you get y2 is 2 by 11 and y3 is 9 by 11, and the value of game to player A is v is equal to 49 divided by A. You have to put the value of x1 and x2 on any one of the above equations. You get the value of game for player A is 49 by 11. Thank you. The second type of problem is solve the following 3 by 2 game graphically. 3 by 2, 3 rows and 2 columns. A has a 3 strategies and B has a 2 strategies. This game does not have a saddle point, and let y1, y2, y2 is nothing but 1 minus y1 be a mixed strategy of P. Thus, 3 straight lines are A's poor strategy, B's expected payoff. The first strategy of A equal to 6 into y1 plus 5 into 1 minus y1, that is a y2, equal to y1 plus 5. Second strategy of A equal to 3 into y1 plus 6 into 1 minus y1 is equal to 3y1 plus 6. Similarly, third strategy is 8 into y1 plus 4 into 1 minus y1 is equal to 4y1 plus 4. All three lines are plotted on the graph. See here the graph paper. Draw two parallel lines. The distance between these two parallel lines is a unit length, and mark a suitable scale on each line. Here y1, y2 are the two strategies, and here this is a y axis, and write a suitable scale. Mark each lines. So here 6 and 5. 6 is on y1 and 5 is on y2 strategy. So join these 2 points. This is one line. Similarly, the second is 3, 6. 3 on y1 strategy, 6 is a y2 strategy, 3 is y1 strategy and 6 is a y2 strategy. Join these 2 points, you get the line. Similarly, you draw the third line, that is 8, 4. 8 on y1, 8 on y1 strategy and 4 on the y2 strategy. Join these 2 points, you get the third line. Mark suitable scale, and upper boundary you make as a dark. Upper boundary at the lowest point, that is called minimax, and it is called the upper boundary. And this point is the intersecting of two lines. Intersecting of two lines, that is the y1 first strategy and second strategy. So this is a first strategy and this is the first line and second line. It is the intersecting of these two lines. So now reduce the matrix. You get 6 first and second, and y1, y2, 6, 5, 3, 6. Based on this, reduce the table. we get the equations from this table A. 6x1 plus 3x2 is equal to value of game. 5x1 plus 6x2 is equal to value of game. x1 plus x2 is equal to 1 and 6y1 plus 5y2 is equal to value of game. 3y1 plus 6y2 is equal to value of game. y1 plus y2 is equal to 1. Solving the above equation simultaneously, we get the value of x1, x2, x3. You get 3 by 4, 1 by 4, 0, and y1, y2 you get the value 0 and 1 by 4 or y2 value. The value of game for player A you get 21 by 4. Now here see how to solve the simultaneous equation. For example, here the 6x1 plus 3x2 is equal to V, and second is 5x1 plus 6x2 is equal to V. Now after solving this, you get x1 minus 3x1 is equal to 0. This is the first equation. Now you take the second equation, that is x1 plus x2 is equal to 1. After solving these two equations simultaneously, we get the value of x2 is equal to 1 by 4. You have to put this x2 is equal to 1 by 4 in equation number 2, and we get x1 is equal to 3 by 2. So we got the x1 is equal to 3 by 2, x2 is equal to 1 by 4. You have to put this value in any one of the equations. We get the value of game is equal to 21 by 4 for player A. Similarly, we have to solve by another equations, that is 6y1 plus 5y2 is equal to V plus 3y1 plus 6y2 is equal to V. After solving these two equations, you get 3y1 minus y2 is equal to 0. This is one equation, and second equation is y1 plus y2 is equal to 1. Solving these two equations simultaneously, you get 4y1 is equal to 1 and y1 is equal to 1 by 4. Put this value in equation 2 and we get y2 is equal to 3 by 4. You have to put the value is equal to y1 and y2 in any one of this equation. We get the value of game for player B is equal to minus 21 by 4 for player B. Thank you.